In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Hubstaff subscription. Whether you've decided to explore other options or simply no longer need the service, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive in to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can successfully cancel without any hassle. First things first, you want to begin by logging into your Hubstaff account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the organization's icon above, typically located on the upper right of your dashboard. This icon represents the organization associated with your account and is your starting point for accessing various administrative options. Next, click on the Organization menu. This menu is geared toward managing your organization's specific settings, and from here, you'll be able to access the necessary billing options to make changes to your subscription. Within the Organization menu, you'll find an option labeled Action. Select this to proceed. It's within this area that you can manage and make adjustments to your account settings, including billing details. After clicking on Action, look for Manage Billing. This section is specifically designed for overseeing everything related to your subscription payments and billing preferences. Note that if you ever struggle to find it, it often sits as an intuitive option in this part of the menu. So look around if it's not instantly visible. This is where you'll be able to handle the cancellation process effectively. Now, I want to highlight, when you're in the Manage Billing section, the option to cancel a subscription should be prominently displayed. However, in some cases, like my own, you might notice that there's no active subscription listed. If that's the case for you, it could be due to either having already cancelled it previously or not possessing an active subscription at present. If there is no subscription to cancel, you might see a notification indicating that directly. For most though, if the subscription is active, you'll be able to proceed to cancel it from here. Follow the prompts provided, usually requiring a confirmation step to ensure you're intentionally making this change. It's worth noting that after confirmation, you should receive a notification or email verifying the cancellation, so be on the lookout for that as it serves as your confirmation receipt. By following these steps, you should be able to navigate the cancellation process for your Hubstaff subscription with ease. If at any point you encounter issues, consider reaching out to Hubstaff's support team for further assistance. They're generally quite responsive. In conclusion, keeping track of your subscription services and managing them effectively is crucial. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to cancel your Hubstaff subscription. If you found this guide useful, don't hesitate to share it with others in need of similar assistance. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos for more useful tips and tricks.